you really love it? Okay. Good boy.
What is this? That. What is that? What is this? What did you do? Did you do this? Did you do this right here? Right here. Did you do this?
You going to the park? You going to the park to see the squirrels? What is your problem?
Yep, Lion. Hello.
What is that? Did you do that?
What are you doing? Is that where all your snacks are?
Going to the dog park. Yeah, we're going to go to the dog park. You want to go? You want to go? You want to play with other dogs?
What is this? What did you do to the shoe? Did you do this? Did you chew up the shoe? Look at this. What is that?
Can you tell me a story? Tell me more. Can you tell me more? Tell me more. What's wrong? What else? What else, Lily? Yeah?
Oh, Chris.
Jack boy.
Jack boy. I love you. 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 Yeah. Yeah.
Do you? Do you have bad habits? Sometimes you do. Like, you lick everything all the time, non-stop. Are you guilty?
Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Are you sure you're a good boy? Huh? Did you eat poop today, Fido? Did you eat poop?
Wow. Annie. And Sammy.
Did you do that? Did you do that? Did you dig into the grass? Lexi. Lexi. Why did you do that?
The Elmo chair? What'd you do to the Elmo chair? Huh? You're naughty. That is naughty. What did you do to that Elmo chair? Huh? What did you do? What did you do to that Elmo chair?
What is this? Did you chew this book up? Did ya? Are you gonna look at me? Jax. Jax.
Charlie, did you do that? Huh? What is that? What is that? Charlie. Bad dog. Bad dog.
Who did this? Huh? Is this you, Noah? Did you do this? Did you do this, you naughty girl?
He doesn't play. He just rides cool, bro.
Hold on tight! Hold on tight! Hold on tight, Chili, you got him! Come on, Bubba.
Teddy wants that bird. Teddy wants that bird. Can't get him, can you? Aww.
Daycare Center. The director has a doctorate in child development.
Who's that? What kind of dog is that? Oh, it disappeared. Here he is. Get him.
What? Say, I love you.
take him. Come take him, take him, take him. Good climb up.